أعزائي الطلاب، يرجى الاستماع جيدا إلى المحادثة التالية والإجابة على الأسئلة. طبعا المحادثة متكونة من 3 حوارات قصيرة، كل حوار دائر بين شخصين. اللي أريده من عندكم تذكروا لي أسماء الأشخاص اللي يتحدثون والأماكن اللي يتحدثون بيها. يعني هل هم يتحدثون من المستشفى، يتحدثون بمطعم، يتحدثون بمكتبة. زين. كالآتي الطريقة، مثلا تيجي احنا قلنا 3 محادثات. تيجي الطريقة الأولى تكتب الأسماء، مثلا الاسم الشخصين حسب ما تسمعه، مثلا for example جاك and مارك for example. هذه الأولى. والمكان مثلا نكتب مثلا restaurant، أو نقول they met التقوا in a restaurant. اوكي. والنقطة الثانية والثالثة احنا قلنا ثلاث نقاط. زين عيني. تكتب الاسماء والمكان، والنقطة الثالثة ايضا تكتب الاسماء والمكان. هذا كل اللي مطلوب من عندكم. اذا نستمع للمحادثة.
Listen to this. Part 1. Listen to 3 conversations. Where are they? Write the correct number of the conversation next to each place. 1.
There are a lot of people in this class, aren't there?
Yes, I didn't know it would be so crowded.
Do you mind if I share your book just for today's class? I haven't bought mine yet.
Sure, no problem. Haven't we met somewhere before?
I'm not sure. Were you in Mrs. Brown's English class last semester?
No, I wasn't. I took French last semester. Maybe we met at registration or something.
Yes, that was it. You were next to me in the line for registration last week.
Nice to see you again. My name's Lee.
I'm Mike.
2.
This food looks really delicious.
Yes, it does. The bride looks so happy, too.
Are you a friend of Janet's?
Yes, I am. We went to high school together. How about you?
I'm a friend of hers too, from college. But I have the feeling we've met before somewhere.
Have we? Were you at Janet's 21st birthday party?
Yes, I was. I remember now. You were sitting at the other end of the table.
Yes. Nice to meet you finally. I'm Eve.
Nice to meet you too. My name's Ruth.
3.
There are so many people here, but no one that I really recognize. Have you seen anyone you know yet? Wait a minute. Aren't you Joe Simpson?
Yes, I am.
I'm Stan McDonald. We were on the soccer team together, remember?
Yes, that's right. Good to see you again, Stan.
It's good to see you too. You haven't changed a bit.
I don't play much now, though. Did you see that match between England and Brazil?